Hello everybody, my name is Luis Benedicto. Today I'm going to tell you about my experience when I and my family went to Taman Berkampung. A few months ago, I and my family visited Taman Berkampung at night. The weather has cooled and the park looked beautiful. First, we walked around the park and enjoy the night atmosphere. Next, I rent a mini car and drove it around the park area. It was very fun. My younger brother has joined and ride with me. After that, we sat near the fountain. Many visitors were also relaxing and buying snacks from the food vendors around the park. Finally, before going to home, we enjoyed the drinks and the snack together. The cool night breeze made us feel fresh and relaxed. It was a pleasant night. Visiting Taman Berkampung and renting a mini car gave me a special moment and enjoyable experience with my family. That's my story, guys. Bye bye and see you next video.